The 1/4 inch and 3/16 inch switch bit hex adapters are going to be by far the best accessory you can have as an electrician or cable installer. You can add shanks, quick bits, or cable bits directly to the adapter, and it's super easy to do. It comes with a hex key, but obviously you can use any hex key. Just loosen the set screws and slide in your bit or extension of choice before tightening the screw. Of course, being careful not to over tighten the screw. Quickly change between necessary bits and extensions to make your job go so much faster. You see how easy it is to use with all of these accessories? It's literally as easy as slipping on and off and tightening a few screws. Now, that's a dirt auger, folks. Obviously, I wouldn't put that directly on the drill. That's going to need an extension, but I'm just using it as an example. You get the point. Their design allows you to use it on any standard 3-flat shank like this one here for my dirt auger, or Eagle Tool US's new XFLEX shanks that have a designated notch to keep your bit from slipping. They like to say skip the slip, and I can attest that statement is legitimate. Simply put, those screws slide into a small notch at the bottom of the shank, which is then tightened with set screws, giving you extra holding power so your bit doesn't slip, and even worse, slip off into the wall. It also works with any drill chuck or quick chain chucks, allowing you to swap in the right extension or bit that you need for the job. So if you're in the business of running wires or installing cables or an electrician, give these a shot. I know you won't be disappointed. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. And as always, hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day.